fellow fragrance enthusiasts, my fellow fragrance collectors, don't you just love when you're having a conversation with somebody and that somebody asks you, do you have that particular brand in your collection? And you're like, you need to be a bit more specific which one you're talking about.
Hey guys, what's going on? Wagwan me peeps, wagwan me peoples. Big up on yourself. Alain here again with a brand new edition of White Boys Fragrance Corner. And today, it's all about Gucci Intense Oud and Lolita Lempicka Green Lover. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and let me just get this out of the way. If you have not subscribed as yet, here's a chance. I definitely would appreciate if you could click on the subscribe button, and while you're at it, you can like and share this video. You can click on the notification bell as well, so you'll get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. You can also head over to Instagram, whiteboys_fragrance_corner, or on Facebook, White Boys Fragrance Corner. So, with that shameless plug right there, let's just move on. And if you see my left eye a bit red, it's just that somehow winter decided to come back this morning, and yeah, I was at work from like 4 o'clock in the morning right down till 5 o'clock in the evening, so I'm a bit tired. So yeah, nothing to worry about. Just in case if you see the redness in the eyes, no, I'm not sick, I'm just tired. But I decided, you know what, these two fragrances came today, and I decided, you know what, I just need to do a video. So here we go. First up, Lempicka Green Lover by the house of Lolita Lempicka. I think some of you might have seen my last mini haul video where I unboxed Lolita Lempicka, the Lempicka Homme, which I actually wore yesterday. It's actually a nice tobacco spicy scent, which I should do a full review on that, definitely. So, Green Lover, this somehow has been making its rounds in the fragrance community, more or less. There are a few videos out there saying, yeah, this is actually a good fragrance. And I mean, with spring, well, even though winter came up today, but with spring being here, hopefully now, I think this would make a, good addition to the collection. So anyhow, here you have it. I kind of like the presentation. These tree branches, they're perforated, so I'm not sure if you can hear it. I actually like that. Yeah, it's a green presentation. This now is a 100 ml EDT concentration. So let's just see in here. So now inside of the lid right here, it says some natural raw ingredients present in your fragrance may alter its color over time without affecting the quality of the fragrance. So it's actually good. So now in terms of presentation, it is similar to the Lempicka Homme bottle. Only thing is that this is green. So the cap fits into place, and I'm just gonna spray this on skin. Alright, so let's go. Let's see what the atomizer is all about. Very powerful atomizer, and again, this is a total blind buy, but as I always say, do not blind buy. Leave the blind buy to this jackass right here. This has some sweetness to it, like a green fresh vanilla. I'm not sure if there's vanilla inside, but I pick up vanilla. It is fresh, it is green. Definitely not a citrus fragrance. Could it be a mint note that I'm smelling as well? Yeah. I think this has a mint note in it. Maybe along with some vanilla. Definitely a scent DNA that I don't have in my collection so far. I like it. Yeah, just based on first smell, I like this. I like this. This is nice. It is fresh, it is green, but to me, this doesn't come across as a typical green fragrance. Again, that's just my opinion, just based on me sniffing it or smelling it for the first time. I think female could pull this off as well. This is actually a nice fragrance. Yeah, I'm going to give this some testing, and if the performance on this is good, it's definitely a winner in my book. Again, that's just my opinion. Yeah. Alright, moving on to the other one now, Gucci Intense Oud. Now, I don't know what the deal with this is. I'm not sure if this is being discontinued, even though it is very easy to find, but the prices are ridiculous. I've seen this go for as much as $300, and I'm sorry, I'm not going to spend that amount for a designer fragrance, especially, you know, I mean, yeah, if it's like the Alchemist Garden or a Privé line or a Private Blends line, that's a bit different, but for a regular release, no. So as I said, not sure what the deal is, but what I know is that the prices are going up. I found this for a very good price, and yeah, let's see. Now from this line now, I own Gucci Made to Measure, which actually I don't care for. I don't like it, but I've heard great things about this. As far as I know, or as far as I've been told, is that this should have like a Mancera Hindu Kush Nasamato Black Afghano 5 to it. So let's see. The box is nothing special. A typical black box, 90 ml eau de parfum, and the bottle is your regular, I think like the Made to Measure or the Gucci Home. Yeah, it's the same bottle. This is what the bottle looks like, but this is heavy. This bottle is extremely heavy. So it fits into place. So this is actually a good cap because this bottle is heavy. And I'm just going to spray this on skin as well. So Gucci Intense Oud. Let's see if it's really worth. The spray is good. Let's see if this is worth all the attention it gets. Alright, right off the top, this is more of a... Alright, I get the Black Afghano vibe. I also get the Hindu Kush vibe, definitely. But it's a bit more subtle. Where like the Hindu Kush, to me, it's like a syrup type of sweetness, and the Black Afghano is a bit heavy and stronger. This is right in the middle. And it leans a bit more Black Afghana than Hindu Kush. But for a designer fragrance, this is good. This is good, guys. This not animalic, not dirty, definitely designer quality. It's not a niche quality to me, but it's very, 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 very close. I mean, once I'm going to wear this, I'm sure my opinions might change regarding that, but yeah, just based on me smelling it now for the first time, it's definitely worth the money that I've spent for it. Now, bear in mind, as I said, this fetches prices from the high hundreds right up to 200, up to 300. I didn't pay that for it. I paid below 100 for it, and the price that I paid for this is definitely worth it. I think I'm going to wear this tomorrow and see so Gucci Intense Oud. That Green Lover is nice as well. So these two, I'm pleased with this. I'm pleased with this pickup. I am. I am pleased with them. As I said, performance test is gonna come next to see where I stand with these two. But definitely two nice pickups. I just hope that they're going to perform well so I can really love them. Anyhow, guys, just a small quick video. Thanks for watching, and as always, man fi smell good. 2021 now, no can't frozy. I'm sorry, I just have to put in a piece of patois for my Jamaican viewers, right? So with that said and out of the way, stay blessed, peeps. Big up on yourself. White boy is out.